Well, I've got a front wheel on
I didn't know
of
Jack Nicholson was
sorts.
in this.
It's off the child's bicycle. It'll work for a minute. About to find the handlebar risers and some handlebars. And maybe mount my new back tire on my rim and change the sprocket, and I'll be riding this puppy by tomorrow. Okay, good looking at you. All kind of angles. Well, let's get it around this side too, since the flash is on. Got the isky stisky and the other just all pretty much whatever stock appearing. Well, almost stock appearing. Okay, that's it for now. Can't wait to be trying to slow down with no brakes. Later.